welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing from AEW Unrivaled Series 9, Eddie Kingston. So he is number 73 in the set. On the back of the box you have Eddie Kingston, which we reviewed now, Brian Cage, which we have already reviewed, Ricky Starks, which we've not reviewed yet, we will do shortly, Christian Cage, Thunder Rosa, and Powerhouse Hobbs. Yeah, so we are back. I had to pause for some reason, forgot. So let's get this Eddie Kingston out of here. His letter on the side is an R. Arg. Now I'm imagining Eddie Kingston's a pirate. I don't know, I think he'd be a good pirate, to be fair. He isn't a pirate, he's a wrestler. As you can see here, fighting, I believe that's Miro. I think that is one of the biggest misses in AEW. Not giving him that TNT title. So I think he could have ran with that. I think you could have... I mean, there's plenty of time still, but you have not unlimited... How do I describe it? You've not got... You've got limitations. So, pop the head. Pop the figure. Oh no. In this one. Hang on one moment, guys. And we are back. Sorry about that, guys. I had to just have a little delay. So let's talk about what we get with this figure. You do get the Screaming Head, which I am a fan of, like the Screaming Head. You get two fists, so you can do a spinning back fist. You get two Mike Holdy. Grappling hands are more likely grapple hands. And you get two little, like his gang of sign hands. And they get a regular head. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the necklace. I'm not the biggest fan of the necklace, but I understand why they put it in. What I'm going to do, you also got the nice gear here. Nice black and yellow. I'm a massive fan of it. Articulation-wise, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Boots, amazing. Arms, amazing. I think I've got to see what this looks like. So let's get the chain. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yep. Amazing with that head. Let's see if I put it down anymore. But no, amazing with this head. And for the first time in this series, well, not the first time in this series, but in this AEW Series 9, it's a 10 out of 10 figure. I have nothing to complain. Nothing I don't like about this figure now. Like, I thought I was not going to like the chain. But it looks less bulky in person than it does in, like, videos and bits. Like, on the camera you can see here. So, yeah, 10 out of 10. Would buy again. No, I wouldn't, because I want to save 20 quid. Yeah, perfect figure. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like and subscribe. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you, and goodbye.